Come on, Vilas. So that's Bijoy behind me. Day 1 of the ride. Yeah. We heard that the Hemis festival is on. Hui. Yeah. So we heard that the Hemis festival is on. So we are trying to reach. Just look at it. Just the mountains, bro. That's why Leh is so special, to have such a vibrant mountain ranges. That too, riding over here is a different experience altogether. You won't have anywhere in the world, I suppose. Or at least in India, you will find it only in Leh. Oh, we have a navigation on too. So we are good to go to Hemis. So just a heads up, we are going to Hemis, the Hemis festival. It's in, by default, by the name Hemis. You see the rocky terrain? That's Bijoy behind me, and that's Malcolm and Vilas on the other bike. The 4 of us have come for this Leh adventure. For details of the adventure, I'll give it to you in the next few minutes. But yeah, let's enjoy the ride for now. And that's the bro deal, I suppose. Yeah, that's Hippos, which is written in Leh. My trip to Spiti had bros written on it. Zarur, you give them way because they are going to clear the way for you all. So from Leh, we crossed Sheh, and now we are crossing Thiksey. We were supposed to go to Thiksey Monastery, but then we thought of going directly to Hemis, and then on the way back we will visit the Thiksey Monastery. The roads are good over here. No doubt, people, that's why they say. But then the better roads are yet to come. In the coming days, we have a itinerary to visit Nubra, Turtuk if possible, Pangong is for sure, and then some other few monasteries and other sightseeings on the way. And again, we'll be coming back to Leh by 24th or 25th of June. And visit the other places like Sangam Point, Shanti Stupas, Leh Monastery and Leh local sightseeing we have not done yet. So we'll do it on the last end of the trip. Yeah, that's it for now. Let's see after some other time. Whoa, hard work is the best investment a man can make. Sure, that's true. Our hard work has taken us to this trip of 2021. Yeah, from 4 years or more than that, we were planning to hit Leh, but every time we were unsuccessful. Just like many other people's plan, our plans were also getting cancelled. But this year we made it. My Duke. We'll possibly make it with the Duke, but it won't be a 1-week tour, so not sure how we'll go around, but yeah, we'll definitely plan something in the future, next year or next to next year, for sure, in the next 2 years. We are at the entry point of Hemis. I think that's the monastery. I'm not sure if you all can see it, but yeah. So we came and they have told that visitors are not allowed on Sunday. So they have said that specifically only on Tuesday which they are being allowed. So we are not able to go ahead about this point. So now let's see, go back to Thiksey Monastery. If they allow, we'll enter and we'll show you some. That's Hemis Monastery. So we are returning back to Leh, mostly going towards Sangam point now. There was like Hemis Monastery we couldn't enter because they were saying that it's not open for tourists, so they didn't allow us to enter. So what we did is we took a U-turn. We had a lunch in a small hotel over there, dal fry and jeera rice. Try to be having a little less amount of food. Don't go for the chicken or much which can upset your stomach. So better to be careful. So there's a switch in the rider. Vijay is riding now and I'm at the pillion. Even over there, the other one, Malcolm will be riding. Oh, that's a suspension bridge. I'm not sure of the river, but might be in the looking at the color.